got miles, we all got fear, holding together with a little faith, whole lot more than we ever say. Our scars are like workday dust, smiling wide though we're barely up, looking like we got it made. The wheels shake loose on the plans we made. Aren't we all living in a damn truck, held by hope and patched by luck, dragging herd from town to town, trying not to break down, with half a heart and a head gone dark, missing pieces, busted parts, finding a way to face what's next. Aren't we all just doing our best? Some get lost in the chase, some hide pain with a straight face, some talk big like it's all okay, some stay small and just break. Ghosts living in the rear view glass, bad nights we don't move past, regret and a little grace, make peace with the mess we make. Aren't we all living in a damn truck, held by hope and patched by luck, dragging herd from town to town, trying not to break down, with a half full heart and a head gone dark, missing pieces, busted parts, still finding a way to face what's next. Aren't we all just doing our best? Life don't care where you thought you'd be, it'll take its turn and skin your knees, but we get back up and take that hit, learn to live with the weight of it. And every soul that you pass by knows the truth about hard times. Nobody's clean, nobody's free, we're all just longing for some relief. We're all carrying something we don't let the whole world see, a little wreckage, a little mercy, a little lost and lonely, a little worn and stuck, still rolling through this life, we ain't giving up. Aren't we all living in a damn truck, held by hope and patched by luck, dragging herd from town to town,